I'm Barbara Moore,
I'm Jim Moore.
and we live in Southgate in Pharr. We came to Pharr in 2020. Prior to that, we were winter Texans, and we became permanent Texans in 2008. What I love about living down in South Texas is the weather and no snow and sleet in the winter.
The old ones were old, metal framed windows, a lot of heat coming in through the windows. I was looking through the internet one day and I come across the Window World ad. Talked with several of the fellows there at Window World. We didn't even look anywhere else actually after that. Well, it began first with Kevin. He measured the windows and was very helpful in answering some of the questions that we had.
They were actually installed before the day that we thought they were even going to be in town.
In the installation process, man, I tell you what, those two guys knew what they were doing. There wasn't any fritzing around. Initially, they thought the installation, we had 10 or 11 windows put in. They talked like it might take one day and part of another day. Well, they were done in one day.
And the changes are,
It's quiet in the house.
yes,
Very
and we have a clear view of whatever's outside. Those other windows were just like they were smoky. Everything outside was a little bit gray. I wish we had done this earlier. I would recommend them. Actually, we've already had one of our neighbors
Yeah.
look